everyone, it's Mitsy from Wise, and today we have a very informative topic for those of you who are new to the US or just looking to open a bank account. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of opening a bank account in the United States. As a person from the US, I know a thing or two about our banking system, so I have some useful tips for you. There are 8 steps, so let's get started. Step 1. Choose your bank account type. Before we dive into the process, let's first understand the different types of bank accounts you can have in the US. There are 3 primary types that you should be aware of. 1, the checking account, used for everyday transactions like paying bills and making purchases. 2, the savings account, ideal for saving money over time, usually with higher interest rates than checking accounts. And 3, the money market account, similar to a savings account, but with potentially higher interest rates and some check writing privileges. Step 2. Make sure you have the necessary documents. The next step is to gather all the necessary documents you'll need to open a bank account in the US. Generally, banks require the following. 1, proof of identification, such as a valid passport, driver's license, or government-issued ID. 2, proof of address, including a utility bill, lease agreement, or any official document showing your current address. 3, Social Security number or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, or ITIN. If you're not a US citizen or permanent resident, you will need an ITIN to open an account. Oh yes, some banks will only give you an account if you're a US resident. But if you're not, there's still a solution for you. For example, you can take a look at some banks' alternatives. One of these is Wise. Wise is not a bank, but a money services business trusted by over 16 million customers. With Wise, you can get account details in US dollar and a bunch of other currencies like British pounds, euros, and more to receive payments. You can also keep money in over 40 currencies, convert these anytime with mid-market exchange rates, spend money using Wise physical and digital cards, and use a number of other features that take your money management to the next level. Opening an account is free, and for account details, we'll ask for a small deposit you can use later. There are no monthly charges. Tap on a link from here or in the description and try yourself. Step 3. Choose a bank. Now that you have your documents ready, it's time to research and choose a bank that best suits your needs. Some factors to consider are: 1, bank reputation. Look for a reputable and well-established bank with good customer service. 2, account fees. Check for monthly maintenance fees, transaction fees, and any other charges. 3, ATM access. Ensure the bank has ATMs conveniently located to avoid extra fees when withdrawing cash. Some of the banks you can take a look at are Chase Bank, Bank of America, Citibank, Wells Fargo, and US Bank. Step 4, apply online or visit the bank to open an account. Once you've decided on a bank, check if you can open an account online. If not, visit the nearest branch in person. Be sure to prepare all the required documents, no matter if you're applying online or in person. If opening an account in person, you will need to speak to a bank representative and choose your account type. Decide whether you want a checking, savings, or money market account. Step 5, initial deposit. Most banks in the US require an initial deposit to open a bank account. The amount varies from bank to bank, so make sure you have enough funds ready to deposit into your new account. Step 6, review terms and conditions. Before finalizing the account opening, take a moment to review the terms and conditions provided by the bank. Understand the fees, account limits, and any other relevant information. Step 7, complete the process. Congratulations, you're almost there. Once you've filled out the application, made the initial deposit, and reviewed the terms, the bank will process your account opening request. You'll receive your account details, including a debit card and checks if applicable. Step 8, online banking and mobile apps. Remember to sign up for online banking and download the bank's mobile app. These tools will allow you to manage your account, check your balances, and make transactions conveniently from your phone or computer. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to open a bank account in the US. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.